Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general of reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 31st of January. So let's start Virgo. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, or your partner's feelings for you right now are, let's see. Okay. Five of Cups. Okay, this person is regretting the loss. They are feeling lost without you. They are feeling sad. There's something that is making them really very sad, and they are not able to bear this loss. Okay, I don't know what happened between you guys, but this person is really sad and depressed and feeling lost. Okay, not at all happy without you. Let me clarify the Five of Cups. Regretting something. Let me clarify what happened. Lovers and the Ace of Cups and the Death. Oops. Okay. I feel like this person is regretting leaving you for somebody else. Okay, this is what I'm getting here highly strongly. I'm getting that this person is developing feelings for you now, and they are regretting why they left you for somebody else and why they ended things with you at the first place. Things ended with somebody else, and they are regretting why they left you. Virgo, this person definitely had an ending with somebody. They started loving someone or they started liking somebody else. Okay, this is not you. The Lovers card is telling me that, or they took the decision of leaving you for somebody else. It is highly possible. Okay, because of somebody new they left you. I'm really sorry for my cough and cold. So yes, there was an ending. There was a probable there was a like a strong ending between you and this person, and now they are regretting why they chose somebody else over you. It is like basically things backfired for them. Could be dealing with a Gemini or Scorpio here, and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, regretting leaving you behind. Oh, lost. Let's see what you want from what you feel for this person, Virgo. Devil. Oops. You person feels like you feel like this person is not at all a healthy person, or this person is kind of addiction to you, or you're obsessed with this person. I feel like you're highly obsessed with this particular person. You constantly keep on thinking about them. You're not able to remove them. You know that this is toxic. You know that this is not healthy, but you are not able to release this person from your energy. No matter how hard you are trying, you are trapped. You are trapped. Let me clarify the Devil card as your feelings for this person. You are highly attracted towards this person. You are highly kind of obsessed with this person, I must say. Could be dealing with a Capricorn here. Let me clarify. Ace of Wands and the Chariot and the Knight of Cups. Yeah. See, you want forward movement with this particular person. You feel like having a forward movement. You feel like having a restart with this particular person because you still carry lots of love for this person, lots of passion for this person, lots of fire. Could be dealing with a Cancerian here. You feel like having a brand new beginning with this person. You feel like having a forward movement, success and victory with this person because you still have emotions for this person. You are kind of obsessed with this person, Virgo, I must say. No matter how hard you are trying to release this person or this energy, you're not able to do that. You are feeling somewhat trapped. Let me see what this person wants from you. Moon could be dealing with the Pisces here. So this is the card of what this person wants from you or from this connection. The moon is telling me that there is kind of blockages. Either you blocked them or they blocked you, or there is kind of miscommunication or less communication or lack of communication, you can say. There's certain blockages that they want to remove from this connection right now. There's something that is like they're kind of scared. They're kind of scared, and they're kind of very worried, also afraid of reaching you, afraid of talking to you, might be. I have to clarify the moon because this person wants to come out of this fearful state of mind that they are dealing with. They are thinking all the negative things of the universe. See, Five of Cups in their current energy is like they're very sad and depressed and going through a shitty time of their life right now, okay? And the moon is telling me that they want to come out of this phase, and let me clarify, they want to open up to you. Page of Cups, yes, and Five of Swords and the Ace of Pentacles. Definitely, this person wants to apologize to you. This person wants apology from you. This person wants to apologize from you, and this their ego, again, their ego is stopping them to come towards you. They want to offer you a brand new beginning, but again, there's something that is blocking their uh, blocking this apology, blocking this person to connect with you. There's something that is missing here. There's something that is not working out, and they want to work on this fears that they are dealing with. They are very fearful. They are very scared of reaching you. They are like, I don't know how you are going to react. So this person wants to open up to you. This person wants to apologize to you, but they feel like you will cut them down. You will be like, you don't need this person back in your life. This is what they are thinking, okay? And they want to apologize. They want to have a brand new beginning, okay? They want to offer you something, but they are very scared of reaching you. This is what I'm getting here. Let's see what you want from this person, Virgo. Three of Swords. From this connection, what you want? Healing. Three of Swords is the energy of they left you hanging on the wall. They broke your heart. They shattered you completely. They made you feel like shit, and they made you feel like the most painful. They gave you the most painful energy of the universe, you can say, okay? And I have to clarify, you want to heal this situation with this person. You want to heal this broken heart of yours with this particular relationship, in this particular relationship, okay? So let me clarify the Three of Swords. The Devil, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. You want them to come back to you. You want them to have a stable life with you, okay? The Devil is telling me there was a third party. Definitely, the Devil is here. The Three of Swords is here. The Lovers was there, and hell lot of devil is two times in this energy. So this was a toxic connection, or there was someone who was influencing this relationship very very much, and that's why you were completely heartbroken. And now what you want is justice. Now you want this person to come back towards you, running towards you, not just run come to back, but come running back towards you and provide you the stability that you always wanted from this particular relationship, okay? But again, the Devil's card is telling me that you want to confront this person for somebody who was influencing this connection between you and this person. So you want to confront this person, you want clarity, you want honesty, and you want this person to come back to you clean, like with a clear head and with a clear mind, okay? You want this person to come back running to you. It's like, and you want this person to leave the third person, leave the third party, leave that influence that broke your heart and made this situation like shitty for you and messy for you guys. Yes, you want them to cut down the third party, or cut down external influences, or if there was obsession or addiction, there was something very negative, something very toxic. There was something that was like influencing this connection a lot. You want this person to cut down that something, that negativity, that toxicity, whatever it was a third party, or it was some kind of obsession or addiction. You just want to cut that influence and just want them to come back to you and heal the situation, heal the connection with you. Okay, let's see what action they are going to take till the end of January. Virgo, let's see. Hanged Man, I don't see any action happening. I feel like this person is going to watch, and they will be in the deep thinking about this situation. They will be in the deep thinking about how to reach you, how to talk to you, how to make things right with you. But I don't see them taking any kind of action, because I told you this person is hell scared, and right now they are going through a hell lot of shitty time in their life. It's like completely heartbroken, completely disappointed, going through some kind of regrets, facing their karma, you can say. Let me clarify the Hanged Man. Knight of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Seven of Pentacles. They are just waiting for the right time to react to the situation, whatever happened between you and them. They are just waiting for the right time to come back and have a brand new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you, okay? They want to have this brand new beginning with you. I told you so. This person is regretting whatever they did with you, but they are so slow to approach that you might not even feel their energy around you. You might not even feel like they are coming towards you, but they are coming. This is just the time, for the time being that this is happening, okay? So yeah, please wait. This person is coming towards you. Just have patience. They are so slow that again, you might not be able to understand if they're coming or not. So yeah, they're trying. They are like, mm, preparing themselves behind the scenes, you can say, okay, before the final performance. Yeah, let's see what is advice for you, Virgo. Three of Cups. Okay, enjoy life, and reconciliation is on the way that I'm getting, but I don't know. I don't feel this is happening by the end of January. Might be in Feb, but right now this is not happening. I'm not going to play with your emotions right now, people, Virgo people. I'm being very honest with you. So the universe wants me to tell you that you should focus on yourself and go in community meetings and go meet people, make new friends, okay, and have fun. Have fun and just enjoy life as it is coming. Don't stress too much. Just party hard and heal harder. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. So yeah, thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.